Hey guys, welcome back to IT Beast. Today we are going to see how to transfer data formats from one worksheet to another worksheet. While developing your worksheets, you may wonder if there is a way to copy all formats, including raw and column dimensions. Fortunately, this is quite easy to do, and there are a couple of ways to go about it. So, putting these guidelines in perspective, let's try this. I already have this worksheet and I have formatted it the way I wanted. As you can see, this is the data, and I have this worksheet which is not formatted at all, and we will apply the formats from sheet 1 to sheet 2. First we need to select this entire data set. For that we will use some sort key to reduce the work and stress and to gain the accuracy. So we will just click on posting date. We will hold Ctrl and Shift and press right arrow. So the entire range has been selected. Now we will hold Ctrl Shift again, and this time we will press down arrow button. As you can see, the entire data is selected. Now we will click on this button. We will click on sheet 2 and we will select this whole data. This entire data should be selected, and we will just apply the format. Once you just select it, it will automatically apply the format. So this is the way to quickly transfer the formatting from one worksheet to another worksheet. Thank you for watching. See you in next video.